Takeout, bringing you all the freshest restaurant news this week. I'm Lawrence Baker, Communications Director at the New Mexico Restaurant Association, and here are the juiciest bites from our newsletter in a short takeout format that's easy to digest on the go. After weeks of build-up, registrations for the new NMRA Hospitality Business School are now live. Are you ready to take your skills to the next level? These courses are tailored to our industry and packed full of lessons to help you and your restaurant succeed. Sign up today for the early bird discount and save $200. Use the links on the screen to watch our exclusive webinar and register for this exciting opportunity today. NMRA is thrilled to invite you to our Spring Membership Fair Open House, May 16th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and May 17th from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. at the NMRA offices. This event will be an excellent opportunity for you to meet our featured vendors and connect with other industry professionals. Our vendors are experts in providing top quality products and services to the restaurant industry, and they will be available to showcase their offerings and answer any questions you may have. You'll also have the chance to learn more about the many discounts and advantages that come with your association membership. Use the link on the screen to register. We hope to see you all there. Calling all restaurants, here's an excellent opportunity to support an amazing cause and get exposure for your business. Fort Cancer is seeking restaurant sponsors for their upcoming fundraising event in June. Fort Cancer brings together Albuquerque's food, beverage, and music scene for one unforgivable night to remember. They raise funds for the American Cancer Society's life-saving mission, including support of pediatric cancer, patient transportation, and patient lodging. Use the link on the screen to check out creative sponsorship opportunities for restaurants. As the weather turns warmer, many guests may wish to bring along animal companions. Before opening your business to pets, make sure you know what's legally permissible and what the established related safety policies are. Both NMRA and the National Restaurant Association have put together resources for you to know the do's and don'ts when it comes to animals in dining areas. Use the links on the screen to learn more and claim a free poster you can print and hang in your business. In March, for the first time in 18 months, the annual increase in prices for food away from home exceeded inflation at retail food outlets. Restaurants have tracked lower than food at home prices for over a year, which has made them an attractive wallet share option for many inflation-wary consumers. Use the link on the screen to learn how this will impact the industry. You can find all the links from the video in the description. Don't forget to check out previous episodes and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or catch us weekly on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. This has been the Takeout edition for the week of April 28th. Eat up!